Hey there guys, welcome back. In this video, let us see what is DLL hijacking. So this is going to be a theoretical video, so I'll be explaining what is DLL and where we can use it. And firstly let us see what is DLL hijacking. So we can call it as DLL hijacking, or we can also call it as DLL injection. So it is a privilege escalation method, so it is very clever method in privilege escalation. So basically the DLL works like, so in Windows we call it as DLL. So the DLL stands for Dynamic Link Library. So I'll be explaining how does it work. For example, in the system32, let's take a file. Let us assume that there is a VMware in the system32. So whenever you type VMware over here, you can see it is popping out. So in the system32, there is a VMware where you can, after only exploitation, the DLL injection can work because it is a privilege escalation method. So once you are into the target system, what you are doing is you are deleting the original VMware exe file, and then you are adding your clone exe file, which is malicious one. So once the victim clicks on the VMware, so it will be same like the original VMware, but it is running a malicious code in it. So once the victim clicks on the VMware you have cloned, then you may be getting the root privileges. So you can see this image on how does it work. So we are basically like we are just deleting the file and adding the instead of that file we are adding the clone file or the malicious file. So once the victim clicks, we will be probably getting the root access. So this is how the DLL works. And also in the Dylib is in the it is in the Mac system. We call it as a same dynamic library. So yeah, that's it about the DLL and Dylib. So if you want a video format on how to perform a DLL injection, comment down below. I'll do it for you guys. So one fine day, that video will come out soon. So that's it guys. If this video was helpful for you guys, make sure to give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video guys.